Want to add some sound, music, or even voice recognition to your next project? SmartLX audio modules are here to transform your ideas into reality. Whether it's amplifier, buzzer, speakers, or microphone. Audio is essential in making our project interactive and immersive. Whether it's generating alerts, playing music, or analyzing sound, audio modules can make your electronics come alive. SmartLX offers a variety of audio modules from speakers to mics to amplifier, which can be used by makers and professionals. Let's take a closer look at what they have to offer. First up, we have a SmartLX speaker module. This compact speaker delivers a big sound and is optimized for portable or embedded setup, perfect for DIY smart device, alarms, or sound projects. Pair it with Arduino or Raspberry Pi, and you have got yourself a versatile sound system. Need adjustable volume? Check out the SmartLX JST SH speaker. It comes with built-in potentiometer for fine-tuning loudness. Imagine creating your own music box by coding different tones on an Arduino. This module is a dream for beginners. Now let's talk about amplifiers. The SmartLX Max 98357 3W audio amplifier is a powerhouse in a small package. It takes I2S digital audio input, decodes it, and directly amplifies it into speaker. Ideal for Raspberry Pi projects, this module can deliver 3.2 W of pure audio bliss to a 4 ohm speaker. Looking for something simpler? A SmartLX 386 AMP audio amplifier is your go-to solution. Just connect a 4 to 8 ohm speaker and you are ready to amplify your sound. Perfect for FM receiver kit or other musical projects. Now for those who need a sharp audio signal or alerts, SmartLX offers a range of buzzers. The active buzzer module generates tones between 1.5 and 2.5 kHz. It's perfect for alarms, notification, and interactive systems. And if you need more power, the high current active alarm buzzer driver can handle the job. Designed for industrial and smart home systems, this module provides consistent loud alert with ease. Let's move to the more advanced audio solution. The SmartLX I2S MEMS microphone is perfect for voice recognition and audio analysis. With high sensitive and low noise, it's ideal for AI, Bluetooth audio, and more. Pair it with ESP32 and you are ready to explore the voice control projects. Need to analyze sound frequencies? The SmartLX MSGE Q7 audio analyzer module breaks audio into 7 distinct frequency bands, perfect for creating sound visualizers or smart audio triggerers. Finally, we have a SmartLX Stereo 3.7 W Class D audio amplifier. This compact module delivers two powerful 3.7 W channel into your 3 ohm speakers. With over 90% of efficiency, it's perfect for portable and battery powered projects. SmartLX audio module can truly unlock endless possibilities for your projects, from creating interactive system to high quality audio setups. This module caters to all your needs. So what will you build next? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the more exciting content. So that's it for this video. We will see you in another exciting video. Until then, stay connected and think smart.